else. Thank you, Holy Ghost. Together. If I'm together with somebody, then that means I'm not going to allow this person, the one, okay, I'm not going to allow Jenny to separate from me, and now I go and do my own stuff and leave her standing there alone. Because now what that means is that we're no longer unified.